Name?
Yeah.
Arun Chaudhary.
Okay, great, sir. What role does Secure IT play in spreading awareness about cyber security and physical security?
No, as far as we are members of the border guarding forces, and over a period of time we have been using a lot of hardware and software to ease out a lot of problems which we are facing at the border levels. And I'm sure that such a seminar or a conference does spread awareness into the usage of hardware and software which we are doing in our day-to-day activities more and more. As a border guarding force, we are trying to familiarize our people who are on the borders to use more and more technology and to become more and more technology savvy. They have to be much more aware of the vulnerabilities of as far as technology is concerned. And so this sort of a seminar where there is a platform where the government representatives meet with the IT professionals, more and more we learn and we try to use them as far as awareness of security, cyber security is concerned.
So what sort of technology integration are you looking at when it comes to border
Border
forces?
Basically, what we are trying to look at is surveillance equipments as far as our border guarding forces are concerned. The border guarding forces, as you know, that we are covering a lot of kilometers and we cannot do it physically. So we need technology to help us in doing our job in a much more professional manner. And that is why we feel that more and more technology should be incorporated in our working and day-to-day working. And the level of people who are going to man all these things also has to be increased, and they also have to become much more IT consciousness and security consciousness.
Great, thanks.
Sir, what is the most critical need of Sashastra Bal in terms of the IT security, implementation of IT and leveraging IT into security?
As I told you that most of the border guarding forces, we are much more interested in trying to build up a database as far as crime and criminals are concerned who are trying to cross over the borders and try to create confusion in our country.
But
Now,
there have been apprehension that we are not able to keep with the pace of the IT revolution in terms of implementing them in our security.
no, but now we are catching up. I mean, this was the initial problems which we faced, that much more IT professionals are coming into the ranks of the terrorists, and they are using these equipment much more than what we do. But over a period of time of about 10 years, 5 years, we have learned how to sort of live with this and try to react in a much more professional manner than what we used to be about 10 years or 15 years back.